welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and give this video a like. Comment down below what other videos you guys want me to do and what nail sets you guys want me to do. But today I'm going to be doing this extra long nail set on myself using this purple Saviland Polygel kit that they sent me for free, so thank you so much, Saviland, for sending me this. First thing it comes with is this manual with the polygels in it and instructions and stuff. It comes with nail forms, dual forms, which I'm not going to be using in this video today. Comes with like this thank you note, this magnet tool to make little designs, which I didn't use in this video, slip solution, the brush on one end and the spatula on the other, (180 grit nail file, base coat, top coat, and it comes with 7 polygels. The first color is Dream Purple, Purple, Glitter Purple, another Glitter Purple, Clear Polygel, Purple, and Light Purple. So these are all the swatches of the colors. All these colors are really pretty, but I only used one specific color. I messed up on one nail, but you guys will see. I have this little package from a supporter of mine, so thank you so much for sending me this. I really appreciate it. She sent me her samples because she just started off doing her gel business. She's selling gel stickers, so she sent me these gel stickers that I swatched on a swatch stick. This glitter is really pretty, so all you need to do is just take it out the gel stick and then just stick it onto your finger and smooth it out, and it just looks really pretty and it's really easy to use. It's my first time using it. So first off, we're just gonna start off by wiping off the nails with some acetone. And then I'm gonna start off by pushing back my cuticles. And I'm gonna go in with this drill bit. I don't know what it's called, but it just like takes off all the dead skin, all the cuticles, all the dead cuticles from your nail plate. And I actually really like using it, but for beginners I don't really suggest it because it kind of can like hurt. So yeah, I learned that the hard way. But I'm taking my cuticle scissors and I'm just gonna cut off the excess cuticles. I'm gonna take this ball circular bit, and this bit is just really helpful because it makes sure it takes off all the excess cuticles that you didn't get to get. And I'm gonna take my nail file and kind of rough up the surface. I know like it looks like I'm doing it rough, but I'm really not. I'm gonna take my extra long nail tips that I got from Amazon. These are so long, it's not even funny how long these nails are. Like, it's so long. Like, I would never stay, like I'd clip these off right after, but I glued them on with Catey's glue. And I'm just taking tip cutters and now I'm just cutting these nails. And now I'm just gonna file up these nails a little bit, the sides. I was really feeling it, I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of feeling it. But I'm just gonna take my nail file, my sanding band, a coarse sanding band, and just rough up the fake nail. It was so hard to like maneuver with these nails on, they're just so long. I'm gonna take my nail prep dehydrator. I'm just gonna put a coat on all the nails. I really like this dehydrator. The one that I got from a cart is not really that good. It didn't last long at all. It just popped right off on the second day, so I just don't suggest that one, but this one is good. I'm going to take this extra strength primer and I'm going to be putting a coat of that on the nails. I'm going to take my base coat and I'm putting a layer of that on all of the nails. So I'm going to start off with some leaves. I'm going to take these purple leaves and this purple polygel, and I'm just going to apply base coat to the nail and glue on the leaves first. I'm just putting the leaves in like any direction. It doesn't really matter. You can just place it anywhere you want. And I'm just taking some gold foils and placing that on a nail and then curing that for 30 seconds and then applying another coat of base coat to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere when I apply the polygel. So let me say, this polygel was so sticky, and I'm pretty sure it's because I took I'm pretty sure it's because it was really hot in my house. So like the polygel, the texture, it was just so sticky. It was so hard to work with. So I really prefer the polygel to be stiffer, but it was fine. It still worked with it. But as you guys can see, I changed my mind on the color. The thumb color I really did not like, but I didn't feel like taking it off, so I just left it. And then the other nails, I just used the purple color, the light purple color. It just looked really pretty. I did the same step for all the nails, and right now I'm just clear capping the nails, making sure that I clear cap the glitters of the leaves that I put, because I mean, it's just gonna look weird when you just don't put any polygel over that. So you definitely have to just put polygel over that, like a layer of polygel evenly. And the brush really got messed up when I tried to I've been trying to brush out all the sticky polygel, and the brush in the process just got messed up. So yeah, just next time I'm just gonna know to just close up the polygels and make sure to put them in like a ice bath to cool them down, because it was just really sticky and really hard to work with. And I'm just gonna take my 100 grit nail file that I got from Amazon, and I'm just gonna file up and sharpen up these nails. I'm gonna take my gold foils and my purple leaves and just place them any which way. I never did extra long nails on myself before, but it was really fun. Like, it was like a lot of room to do design on. I wish I had a lot more designs to do, so let me know if you guys want me to do that. But these are how the nails look with just the polygel on them. I'm just gonna take the rest of the slip solution and I'm just going to wipe the tacky layer out of all the nails. I'm gonna take my 100 grit nail file, which is extra coarse, really good for filing. I'm just gonna file up these nails. These nails are so long, so it wasn't hard to file. It was kind of easy because you have better grip. Because with short nails, you don't have better grip. Well, at least when you do it on yourself. But I'm just crispening up the shape. Now I'm gonna take this drill bit that is like I got from a cart. I'm just gonna go over the nails, make sure that it's even, like make sure that they're even and that there's no lumps and bumps. You have to really be careful with this nail drill bit because it's really like strong. But I'm gonna take the circular bit and just try to go over the cuticles one more time, make sure that they're flush. And this is the bigger cuticle bit. And I'm just gonna wipe off the nails with some acetone because there was a lot of dust, and I suggest washing your hands. It just looks better. I'm gonna take my top coat and I'm just gonna top coat all these nails. I'm gonna be putting a nice generous layer of top coat because you guys know I love top coat. I love top coating my nails. And I'm also gonna go underneath the nails because when you go underneath the nails, like you could like the clear just pops out way more because you guys know that there's a lot of dust, and we also filed the nails, so that really helps. I know I should have washed my hands because my hands look so ashy. Oh my gosh. And I'm just gonna cure it in the nail lamp on each side for 30 seconds, you guys. If you have like a UV light, you can do it for like, I think 120. Don't judge me on that. I don't take my dipped and dusted nails, Fruit Loops scented cuticle pen, and I'm just gonna be applying cuticle oil everywhere. I'm telling you guys, this cuticle pen it just smells so good. But this is the finishing look, you guys. This is how the nails turned out. They turned out super pretty, but super long. But I just love these. You know, you gotta do long nails on yourself once in a while. They just look so nice, except for the thumb. The thumb, I did not like the thumb. Don't even mind that. But the rest of the fingers just look super nice. So if you guys enjoyed this video, just give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below again what you guys want me to do in my next video or in upcoming videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to check the description for anything that you guys want in this video. Bye guys.